What's up, YouTube? This is Tim at Tim's Garage. Today we're doing part 3 of the 69 F100 restoration. We're going to be removing the old front end, getting ready for the Crown Vic front end. I'm going to show you how to remove that, show you how to get your axle center line so you got a reference to go by when you're putting the Crown Vic front end. Let me grab my camera and I'll give you a walk around. We're going to start by removing these engine frame mounts, one on both sides. If any of you guys need those, just comment below and let me know. They for a 302 or 351 Windsor. I'm going to go ahead and remove the steering gearbox. If anybody needs that, let me know, because I won't be using it neither. I'm going to pause the video, go ahead and remove these items, and then we'll start back getting the axle center line before I start cutting anything out. Alright, we back. Got the steering gearbox off, engine mount brackets off. Now we fix to move on to marking our center line before we cut this front K-member out. Alright, let me grab my material. Alright, I got a bar here. I want to make sure it's straight, which I've already looked at this one. It's good and straight. Just something to mark with. Then you want to grab your couple of plumb bobs. Alright, if you look right over here, this is going to be your axle center line right here in the center of your kingpin. There's no offset to it, so that's going to be your center line. So we're going to take this. I'm going to try to get her right over the hole like that. Instead of trying to tie all that, I just got some tape. Don't want to tear. Take that right there so it'll stay. Alright, I'll shift my bar and get it right over the center of that hole. Just get it close, because you're going to have to do both sides. Now we're going to move to the other side. This one has a grease fitting in it. I'm going to see if I can snatch that grease fitting out. Get it out of the way real quick. Grease fitting out of the way. Hard to do all this in one hand. This side till I'm centered over that hole. Alright, got that side. Let's check the other side. and it looks good. Next we're going to grab a little speed square here. Don't try to square it up on the frame, because it's not straight. You want to square it on your square piece of metal and put your mark on your frame. Try not to move your piece of metal. Now we got a mark on that side. Now that's going to be your axle center line. I'd suggest, now that you got it marked with a marker, take something like scribe something in the middle so you don't lose your mark. I'm going to probably use a Ziz wheel. Just scribe a little line right there so I always got that point to work off of. Alright, next we're going to, now that I got that marked, I'm going to get the plasma cutter out. We're going to start cutting all of this out. Cut springs out. Not reusing any of this stuff, so pretty self-explanatory, you know, just get it cut out of there. I'll show some more videos once I get sections cut out, or if I run into something that's aggravating, I'll try to show you. Alright, we're going to pause the video and we'll pick back up. Alright guys, we back. Got all the twin I-beam stuff out from under it, both sides. Got the trailing arms loose. Next we're going to take these spring cups off. You got 4 of these rivets you got to grind off and knock out. 1 there, 2 there, there's a bolt there, and a rivet under here. And you take all that part off. Same on the other side. You see them aggravating factory rivets. Alright, we're going to get that off next. Then before you start cutting out the center part on your ends here where your bumper went, I've seen some folks put the bumper back on it, but I'm going to weld a bar across from this side to the other side. That way when you cut the center section out, you don't have to worry about your frame rails flexing in. Alright, well, let me get that done and we'll start back. Alright guys, finally got it out. Oh, it was a headache, but it's out now. I still got to go back and with the grinder and clean up inside of this frame rail. Got this side out. This is the bar I was talking about putting across the front before you cut it out. I've got it welded in place. I just don't trust bolts. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. You hit the Tim's Automotive Garage link at the end of the video to subscribe. Leave comments if you have any questions, need any help with anything on a f100 or anything. Just leave a comment. Alright, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next part.